What's up guys, Carter here. I'm back. I haven't posted in a while, I'm sorry. So yeah, I think last time I made a video, it was being boozled up in Sand Hollow. Bad memories. Still taste it. Anyway, yeah, I'm back. And yes, I'm doing another video in the bathroom with some soap that I got for Christmas. And yes, this is my soap. And I got it for Christmas. My soap. It's milk and golden honey. Don't demonetize me. It's nice. Smells good. And feels good. Not sponsored by Soft Soap. Good job, Soft Soap. We made a good soap. So yeah. Something gross on the counter. Now I know exactly what that's from. I'm gonna use my soap. Wait. Probably the first time you've seen me wash my hands. Oh, another thing that you can't see, sorry about that you probably have not seen, is my room this flippin' clean. That's really bright. But look at my room. It is so clean. Look, like nothing right there. Gonna move those. But yeah, cleanest it's probably ever been. Great. Yeah, my hopefully you can hear me better now, because my dad cut some stuff open. My iPad case open a little bit, so maybe you can hear me a bit better now. Hopefully. Yeah, let's go say hi to my parents. I have a little thingy, make the air nice, so I can actually breathe. And let's hop on my hoverboard and go see my parents. This is where editing would come in nice. Little music video montage. I got out. Anyway, on a little music montage. There's Kylo with his actual first toy ever. Is a little fox taking a nap. And there's Sadie girl. Sadie girl. Hi. Old Sadie. She's getting really old. Which sucks.
Let me see.
And there's Piper. Say hi. Don't be weird, Piper. Say sup, guys.
Sup, guys.
Oh, there's a movie on demonetization. Oh, please don't monetize me. Please don't. Just a little subscriber. Little channel with like no subscribers. I got my Yeti. It's nice. Not sponsored as well. Nothing is sponsored. Sucks. Dad, you want to say hi?
Hello.
My dad fixing the window. Dad, what do you think of my YouTube channel?
Your what?
My YouTube channel.
Sweet.
Yeah. Comment again. So yeah. So around the house. So you might have known that hold on. That I played my Xbox in my room for a while because my aunt stayed here, but now I'm back downstairs where I used to play at first. So that's pretty sweet. So yeah, little vlog for you. So I have another YouTube channel that I've not posted on like at all for like a year. And it's called Diamond Bone 788. No spaces, I think. So yeah, go check it out. It only has 2 subscribers. And this one has like 29, maybe 30, 28. I don't know. Haven't checked. So yeah. Guys, gotta get big. Oh, cool thing that I want to show you. So not sponsored. Again, nothing is sponsored in this video. So Diesel Brothers are making podcasts, and my dad listened to them while we went driving. We all listened to them, and one of them said they're like life, to help you with your life. And one of them said make a dream board. And our dream board is, so everyone got a dream board. And mine is, so meet my hero, my favorite YouTuber. I want to meet him, guarantee him. Got nothing against him. So I want to go space. That's a camera that I want to use. Expensive. I want to get popular. I want to be kind. I want a Tesla. Be positive. I made that little thing. And a little dog thing, which is cool. Save that for a little bit. I haven't say more because I want to be funny. Nice house, boathouse, and then this. The diamond play button. That might be what I want the most. 10 million subscribers. I want to hang that up on my wall. Because that is an amazing thing. 10 mil. I want that. So if you guys can, let's at least get 100,000. I don't care. I just want to be, I want to at least get 100,000 before I quit my YouTube channel. Because eventually I'm going to have to stop it. So yeah, we got a lot of time, a lot of videos, a lot of love. Let's get a play button. How much is the first play button? I don't know. I'll have to go check that out. So gold is 1 million, 10 million. Maybe 100,000 might be the silver. I don't know. Anyway, let's get that silver one at least. Okay. We can do it. squad if you subscribe to me. And then you get cool. Then you're gonna be in a squad. I don't know. Anyway, that's probably it for now. See you guys. Subscribe, hit the bell, like, and I will appreciate it. And I do read the comments, even though I don't get any comments, which is sad. But guys, let's get 10 mil. Let's get the silver plate button at least. Okay? Let's do it. Found it. See ya.